What's up, guys? Fat Jap Customs here. Just run down real quick. 94 Trans Am I just frequently bought. It needs a lot of work, bath, but I mean there's a lot to be done. I mean, I only paid a couple $100 for this car. She only has 175,000 miles on it. Automatic, sadly. Just trying to get it running. When we bought it, it wouldn't start, so we towed it over here to my house. Oh. And slowly getting her working. It's got the 5.7 in it. Diagnosed it was a spark issue, so placed ignition coil control module. As of right now, we're working on getting the OptiSpark distributor off. Water pump's already off, as you can see. We're just gonna go ahead and replace that, get a new one in there. My pile of tools that we got over here. So far, that's what we're doing. Got some Corvette wheels. No, I mean, it's a fixer upper. She needs work. I mean, she needs both window motors, hood struts for the trunk hatch. I mean, she dirty. Was told when I got it that it has a cam and a Flowmaster exhaust and cold air intake, which that's just a Spectre cheapo air filter. But I mean, hopefully I get it running here soon. I mean, got issues. I mean, cracked dash, sadly. And I'll probably never find a perfect one. Then I got this heat pile over here as well. My 95 Honda Civic coupe, stands out. You know, 1320 tips, JDM clear tails. Specs on wheels are 15x8, -12 on the front, 15x10, -25 diamond smoothies with a 195/45 15 in the back and a 165/45 in the front. One piece headlights, HIDs. She was previously swapped when I got it. It's a D16Y7 custom jumper harness, 5-speed manual, no AC, no power steering. This one has issues too. For some reason, this one's either having a ground problem or a spark problem. Don't really feel like diagnosing this one right now. You know, I've been slowly getting this one sitting how I want. You know, I mean, it's a mess on the inside. I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I don't know how many miles are on the motor and trans out of this one, but the body has 258. I don't know if y'all can see that there. Steel hood, weighted shift knob, Avenue Daytona blue steering wheel, energy short hub, stickered out like, you know, a standard Honda. You would think a standard Honda would look like nowadays. No. Just because I have American muscle does not mean I'm not about slamming cars still. I mean, plain and simple. You know, I may have 94 Trans Am here. I'm always gonna be about stancing out cars. You know, I've had a 96 Toyota 96 Nissan hardbody at one point in time. You know, that thing was on the ground. I put multiple friends' cars on the ground. I've helped them get their cars on the ground. You know, suspension work's always an important thing. I mean, this one won't be on the ground, but I mean, it'll have upgraded suspension. You know, I plan to make this thing go 200 miles an hour. Plain and simple. Trans Am going 200 miles an hour. That's the goals for it, if we can get it running. You know, if I don't get it running, then it's another heat pile sitting in my driveway. It's got headers on it. I don't know brand. They were on there when I got it. There's long tube headers. Same with the cam. Don't know what brand cam. Yeah, I mean, that's gonna be it for right now. Been slowly chipping away, trying to get this thing running. I don't really know what else to say right now. Just this is it. This is my cars. I plan to keep posting more. You know, if I get it running today, I'll post another video about, you know, getting it running. We get it running, we get it running. You know, it'd be nice to get it running sometime soon. Drive it around, make it louder. Definitely make it louder. From what I heard, it's pretty quiet. It's got baffles on it. Yeah, that's it for now. Peace out from Fat Jap Customs.